In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem a Steam gift card and add the funds to your Steam wallet. If you've received a Steam gift card or bought a wallet code and you're not sure where to redeem it, don't worry. Steam makes the process simple, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through every step from start to finish. Once the code is redeemed, the balance will instantly appear in your wallet and you'll be able to use it to buy games, DLC, in-game items, and more on the Steam store. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Steam tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once Steam loads, look at the top right corner of the window where your account name is displayed. Click on your account name and from the drop-down menu choose Account Details. This will open your Steam account management page where you can manage purchases, payment methods, and wallet balance. On the Account Details page, look for the section related to your Steam wallet. Here you'll see your current wallet balance along with a button that says Add funds to your Steam wallet. Click on that option to continue. This page normally lets you purchase wallet credit directly, but it also includes the option we need to redeem a gift card or wallet code. Next, find and click the option that says Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Steam will open a new page with a field where you can enter your code. Carefully type in the gift card code exactly as it appears on the card or in the email you received. Double check for any mistakes so the code is entered correctly. After entering the code, click Continue. Steam will verify the code and then automatically add the value of the gift card to your Steam wallet balance. Once the process is complete, the funds will be available immediately, and you can start using them to purchase games or other content on the Steam store. And that's how to redeem a Steam gift card. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.